Hello, I'm Sara. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most famous Italian dessert, tiramisu. It's actually very easy to make, it doesn't require any baking at all. Let's have a look at the ingredients first. We need Savoiardi, which is the Italian version of Ladyfingers. We also need 400 grams of mascarpone cheese, 4 or 5 eggs. We need a little bit of cocoa powder, coffee of course, and some sugar. The first thing to do is to separate the egg yolks from the whites. This time I'm going to use 5 eggs because mine are quite small, but if you have bigger eggs you can use only 4 of them. It's very important to separate them properly, otherwise the result is not gonna be the same. Once you have separated all the yolks from the whites, you need to add sugar to the yolks. So 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're gonna whisk it. You know you have finished when it looks like this. Now you can start working your whites. They are now ready. We can now add the mascarpone cheese to our yolks. It's now ready, and we can add the whites. At this stage we don't want to whisk everything together, but we're going to use a spoon or whatever you feel comfortable with. This is how you should mix it, with very delicate movements. Our mascarpone cream is ready. And now the fun part, you can dip the Savoiardi into your coffee. Make sure that the coffee is not too hot. Now I've finished the first layer. Let's go to the second layer of Savoiardi. And this is the last layer of cream. It's almost finished. Now we can add the cocoa powder. We are now going to make a child-friendly version of tiramisu using pan di stelle, some milk and the whipped cream. And it's ready. Now we can put it in the fridge with the other traditional tiramisu for a couple of hours and we can enjoy them.